today's we are going to discuss about the event. For suppose we have an event after 3 or 4 days, so how can you show the events? I'm saying that I have an e-commerce project. So now as you can see, this is the e-commerce systems, and you have the time, days, hours, minute and seconds. So now we are going to design the function or the events or the functionality which counts the days and hours, minutes and also the seconds. So how can I do that? First of all, this is our index.html file. I'm going to comment these bad boys so you can easily get the code. Control Shift, and now I am going to also comment this bad boy so you can easily get the code. Now also I'm using the comment. Okay, so what you need, you just need to use the div. I'm saying div feedback. Now go to the external scripting. While your document is ready, now you can use the var and event. Use the date dot parse function, and now I'm saying the date is 16/12. Now I'm saying the 20. I'm saying 20 January 2019, or I'm saying okay. So now I'm going to call this bad boy, which is the callback div. I'm saying, and now I'm saying that text. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's giving you the integer value. How? So if you are not using the parse, for suppose if you are not using the parse, go to the page, refresh the page, it's giving you like this. Okay, so that's why we are using the parse. So now what you need to use the current time, or you need to calculate the current time. So now I'm saying jquery now, which is the jquery dot now function. It will give you the time. Go to the page, refresh the page, inspect, wait for a few seconds, inspect element, find the console. As you can see, it's not saying, it's saying jquery is not defined. Why it's saying jquery is not defined? jquery, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's giving you the value. This is the current. So now I'm saying divided by 1000. Go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's giving you the value with dot. So how can you remove these values? You can remove these values by using the math.flow function. Okay, so now go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's showing you the 15, 42. These are the randoms value. So now you can calculate, or you can calculate the seconds. How? I'm saying event minus current date, current time, sorry, okay, and assign, sorry, go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's showing you like this value. So now it's time to find the days. I'm saying days. Now I'm calculating the days. I'm saying that seconds, which we have just created, divided by, multiply by, we have a 60 seconds, multiply by 60 minutes, multiply by 24. Okay, so now show the days, go to the page, refresh the page. So it's showing you the days in the dot format. Okay, so now how can you remove the dot format? You can also use the flow, math.flow. So this is the math.flow and also math.flow. Okay, go to the page, refresh the page. So now it's showing you the numbers. If I'm saying that 20 December 2018, go to the page, refresh the page, it's giving you like this. And now why it's showing like this? Because you have to divide these values by 1000. Go to the page, refresh the page. So as you can see, it's showing us the event after the 3 days, because the current date is 16. I'm saying that show me the 20 Decembers. Okay, so if we are saying that we have the 20 January 2019, but you have to divide by 1000. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's showing us the 34 days, because you are showing only the days. So how can you do that? For suppose I'm saying localhost e-commerce, and now it's showing us like this: days, hours, minute and second. How can you show the days, minutes and also the hours? You have a event, you have a current, you have a second, now you have a days. So in this way you can calculate. For suppose I'm saying days plus, use the days here, plus sign. Now I'm saying the time, or I'm saying second. You can also calculate the go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's saying days, time. You can also divide by 1000. Refresh. So in this way you can create anything like this, but for now we are calculating only the days. And also, so these are the days and this is the event. You can also calculate that how many days is remaining. The actual event is this. So this is the actual event, and the days is remaining like this. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.